Well, we begin with NDTV's exclusive opinion poll on the first phase of elections in Karnataka, which indicates that the BJP will emerge on top in Bangalore, the big decider for the elections. 89 of the total 224 seats voted on Saturday, a fight that was seen not just as a battle for Bangalore, but also a confrontation between Devagowda and S.N. Krishna. According to the results of NDTV's exit poll, in Bangalore, where 28 seats are at stake, the Saffron Party is likely to win 14 seats. That's a 4% swing in favour of the party. Remember, the number of seats in Bangalore has increased to 28 from 16 after the delimitation of constituencies. There was a 4% swing away from the Congress in Bangalore, which is likely to win 10 seats, and again in Bangalore the JDS is likely to win 4 seats, the same poll percentage as last time. Now let's take a look at the forecast for Karnataka excluding Bangalore. Here the JDS is on top, winning 26 seats, followed by the BJP that's predicted to win 17 seats, while the Congress stands to win only 13. Heavyweights like former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy, his brother Revana and former Deputy Chief Minister Siddaramaiah were in the fray in the seats that went to polls in the first phase. And now for the swing in the state, except for Bangalore, the big picture suggests that there would be a 3% swing in favour of the BJP, a 2% swing against the Congress and a 1% swing against the JDS. This exit poll samples were collected from 7,248 voters across 30 constituencies.
The first votes have been cast in the battle for Karnataka.
The areas that voted today covered the strongholds of Devagowda and Sons of the JDS, but also of S.N. Krishna of the Congress.
89 constituencies in 11 districts. With Bangalore electing over 12% of the assembly, even foes found common ground.
If you win Bangalore, your victory is assured.
Well, he has it right and we will win Bangalore.
Bangalore city, actually after this delimitation scheme, now 28 seats are there. In that minimum 10 to 12 seats we will going to get this time.
As Kumaraswamy set out to win urban Bangalore, his rural stronghold asserted its presence.
Popular vote here for Mr. Kumaraswamy, but really the results only will justify whether or not he still has the numbers to actually win from this constituency.
As South Karnataka made up its mind, its agenda was clear.
ಒಂದು ಇದು ಗುಣವತ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬಂದು ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ತರ ಬರೋದು ಬೇಡ ಒಂದು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬರಲಿ.
Well, unfulfilled promises, but still the voter keeping his faith in the system. With Rati Ramdas in Ramnagaram and Maya Sharma in Bangalore, Vasanthi Hariprakash for NDTV.